Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 4 if it's not launching on your PC. First, try restarting your PC. This simple step can often resolve temporary glitches. If restarting doesn't work, you can verify the game files. Open the Microsoft Store on your computer and go to your library. Find Forza Horizon 4 and click the three dots next to it, then select Manage. From there, choose Check for updates. If any updates are found, install them and then restart the game. Sometimes an outdated graphics driver can cause issues. Go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer. It will be either Nvidia or AMD. Download the latest driver for your specific graphics card and install it. After installation, restart your computer. Antivirus software can sometimes interfere with games. Temporarily disable your antivirus and try launching Forza Horizon 4. If the game launches successfully, you'll need to make an exception for it in your antivirus settings. Don't forget to re-enable your antivirus after you're finished playing. Make sure your Windows is up to date. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, and click Check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer if required. If the game still won't launch, you can try resetting Forza Horizon 4. Go to Settings and then Wraps and Features. Find Forza Horizon 4 in the list and click Reset. This will reset the game to its default settings without uninstalling it. If none of these solutions have worked, you might have to reinstall Forza Horizon 4. Uninstall the game from your computer completely. Before reinstalling, make sure to delete any remaining files or folders in the game's installation directory. Then reinstall the game from the Microsoft Store. While these steps should help, you can also try running Forza Horizon 4 as administrator by right-clicking its icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Additionally, close any unnecessary background programs that might be consuming system resources. Lastly, double-check that your PC meets the minimum system requirements to run Forza Horizon 4 smoothly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.